This is the new Model 7X honey filling machine. There are various functions. Today, I will introduce for you. It has 2 filling heads. Can fill 2 bottles of honey at the same time. You can see the filling speed. It can also fill small capacity honey containers. As you see, no matter what kind of container, you can fill them easily and quickly. You can also fill the honey using the double filling head separately. It can also filter honey when you assemble the filtering heads. It is also possible to filter honey and fill honey at the same time. It can be used to fill large capacity honey containers. Filling range 10 kilograms to 80 kilograms honey. The machine can be stopped automatically when the container is full. The last function is to transfer honey. If you're interested in this new machine, please contact us via WhatsApp. Thanks!